Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, subscribe, hete.
Face TV was Swoby.
Congratulations, Your Excellency, Governor of Osun State, Governor Ademola Adeleke. We're celebrating you for infrastructure development in Osun State today.
Congratulations once again, His Excellency, Executive Governor of
Osun State.
all of all coming here tonight. I want to make it.
Yes, please. Okay, we knew this was going to happen. I mean, if you didn't dance, we would have been surprised.
Ladies and gentlemen, Governor Ademola Adeleke, the Governor of Osun State. Congratulations, Your Excellency. DJ, please bring it down,
Bring it down. Very quickly, a round of applause for Governor Ademola Adeleke, please. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to crave your indulgence. You know that we called him up for an award. We're giving him the second award, which is the best dancing governor in Nigeria. The years have it, the years have it. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
But one thing, and this is why this occasion is important, the Vanguard celebrates not just quality of people, but integrity. That is their watchword, integrity. For those of you who have come on stage this evening to be awarded, regardless of your field, very, very hard to discover it. Again, I want to congratulate all our assistants, all our awardees. I want to congratulate the Vanguard newspaper, the group, for sustainability.
Governor of Cross River State and Chairman for this occasion, Mr. Muiwa. We recognize the role of integrity, honesty, and patriotism. The idea of doing the right thing is in our DNA. It is the Vanguard Heroes Awards.
Miss Ngozi Adeleke, and a climb where high poverty levels is mostly used to justify certain societal ills. Miss Ngozi Adeleke, an indigene of River State, and currently a bilingual customer service agent at a hotel by guests in one of the hotel's suites. She immediately reported to the hotel manager. The hotel's general manager, in line with the establishment, the guest was contacted and the money was returned in full.
gentlemen. Of course, I'm concerned. Sons that were Ademola and Mohammed as the founders. He's the last man standing. So I want to congratulate him for this. But beyond that, what we set out to achieve, getting our public educated on public affairs, not entertainment particularly, and what's it called? All the with artificial intelligence or information technology and all that is available, it has not been an easy thing. But the Vanguard has a very strong.
Be inspired, even as we live our own lives. Thank you so much for shining your light so bright for us all to see. Thank you. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause to all 7 recipients tonight. Thank you. Press and media team, I'd like to respectfully ask that you please excuse steering the affairs of today's event. He's one whose economic policies received praise for his contributions to the fields of agriculture, urban development, government.
Keep the applause going as we rise.
Professional background includes an MBA from Edo State University and advanced studies in management and public relations in London. With over 30 years in the media and tourism industry, Otumba Rushawe has held key positions such as General Manager of the New Nigerian Newspaper and Director General of the Nigerian Tourism Development Corporation, NTDC. His tourism is life campaign is successful.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. And just find a place to sit comfortably. There will be enough time after this occasion for networking or picture taking. But right now, we'd like to continue with this prestigious occasion. But as we move on tonight, it's celebrating and recognizing distinguished individuals who continue to shine the spotlight on Nigeria. We will be breaking very quick for light entertainment. It is my pleasure to make welcome Esther Orchestra for the next round. Even as we live our own lives. Thank you so much for shining your light so bright for us all to see. Thank you. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a round of applause to all 7 recipients tonight. Thank you. Press and media team.
Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.